So let's look at radicals with an index that's greater than 2. Okay, now what's the index? The index is the little number inside of this radical symbol. Now you can see that for the blue ones here, the index is 3. But for the green ones, there is no index written there. Well, if there's no index written there, it's always assumed that it is 2. Okay, and that's why we call it a square root. If it has a 3 in there, sometimes we refer to that as a cubed root. All right, so that word is index. Now, we know the square root of 9. The square root of 9 is the same thing as the square root of 3 times 3, which is just 3. So what is the cubed root of 27? And it's saying what number cubed would give me 27? Well, the cubed root of 27 is the same as the cubed root of 3 times 3 times 3. And now in this case, the answer is 3. So what I'm trying to show you is that you need 3 on the inside to get 1 outside. Okay, whereas here, you only needed 2 inside to get 1 outside. All right, let's look at the square root of x to the 10th. Well, how many groups of 2 are inside? Well, I could write them all out. Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many groups of 2? Every time I get a group of 2 with a square root, I take 1 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer here is going to be x to the 5th out of the radical. Well, look at this one, the cubed root of x to the 12th. Well, now my index is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if you want to show it the long way, how many groups of 3 do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 3. So my answer is x to the 4th. The cubed root of x to the 12th is x to the 4th.